Hello, crafters. This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I am here with my Christmas in July sale video. Yes, there are some steals and deals for amazing Christmas items that you can add to your stash just in time for Christmas in July crafting. But before I get started, I have to do a sidebar because I know I had said, I think it was around Friday, that I was going to do the sealed for summer wax sealed video. I did not get a chance to do it because on Saturday I was doing this. Oh, I'm having a proud mommy moment, so I just want to share my mommy moment with you. As some of you know, my daughter has special needs, and she was invited to the Special Olympics World Games in Berlin, Germany. So I was away for like 2.5 weeks. Came back, and on Saturday, the Florida Marlins baseball team, this is my first professional baseball game I've ever gone to, but boy was it nice. They gave us all jerseys. Gina got to throw the ball. So this is the proud mommy moment. I'm going to insert the video now where she walks out on the mound and does her pitch. All right. Oh, I was crying again. In Berlin, she was doing open water swimming, so she got a gold and 2 silvers. 2 thumbs up for that. She worked hard. And here's the ball that she had pitched. I have a picture here where the Florida Marlin mascot took a photograph with her. So I was just having a proud mommy moment. So I will have that video sometime this week. I took some time off and I plan to crafty catch up and also continue crafting a lot. But I just had to share this with you guys because I did not expect Saturday to be an all-day event. But those people, they gave us a suite. One of those professional suites. Oh, that's the way to go. It was just lovely. We had catering and it was just a private suite watching the game. And my daughter got to pitch a ball. Oh, I had to teach her how to do it too on the field before she got out there. I'm like, that's the mound. And she just looked at me like, what? Right there. I'm just like very, very proud of her because we just took a long journey from the doctor saying she'll never, ever do anything when she was a little child to now she took me halfway across the world. She's out there throwing a baseball at a professional game, which I was just blown away how the stadium is lovely here in Miami. I know these are not cheap, and they gave us all jerseys, the whole family. So that's so nice. I'm just having that mommy moment of, you know, when people tell you that you can't do something and you find what your child can do, encourage it, encourage it. All right. Now let's get into this video. There will be that sealed for summer video. But speaking of sealed for summer, and I'm going to do this video, I'm going to do categories and then also individual items that I think you might want to add or maybe double up on because they are like so great. Also, if you need to give a crafty gift to your friend, this might be the sale that you want to shop because things are half off. Maybe some of them are a little bit more than half off too. And you can just do one nice gift, $20, but the gift is really worth $50, $60. 2 thumbs up for that. So with the wax seal, all the original wax seal beads, those are on sale from $9.99 to $7.49. Yay, so you can get the original colors, gold, solid red, white, etc. There's also some new wax seal colors, so I'll put a link for that as well. This sale will end July 16th. I'm going to give you some notables. Take a look at the notables, and then from there, I would still go page by page. Check your Spellbinders wish list. If you reach 100, then you get free shipping. There is a new release, and you might want to add something from the new release. Let me show you real quick. I'm going to do an unboxing video right after this for the Make It Merry Christmas kit. Oh, yes. Whole big kit. Look at this box. This is reminding me of the advent calendar. I'm like, ooh, look at the box. Ooh, look at this. This one, though, will be at full price. But there are 2 kits that are available in this sale. And these kits are like full kits, okay? This is the Oh What Fun kit. I bought this. That is on sale from $60 to $20. Gift. Perfect. Cardstock. You get envelopes. You get 6x6 paper pad. You get a booklet to inspire you. You get a cute Santa die set. Come on, with the tree and everything here. 10 cards, 10 envelopes, cardstock, dies, everything. So I'll put the link for the 2 bundles that are in this sale. The Oh What Fun bundle and also the Santa Lane. Now, I can't find my Santa Lane. I don't know what I did with it. So I'm trying to clean up and I'm putting things on now. I don't know where anything is. I know. Why did I do that to myself? So there are 2 kits on sale. Santa Lane and Oh What Fun. Love these bright colors too. And then there's a new kit that you can take a look at. With this new kit, there's an add-on. Here it is. The Make It Merry Florals. This looks fabulous. Look at that. So you might want to add this newbie to what's on sale. Just in case. I'm just showing you. There will be a whole reveal video. There's also an embossing folder. And this one is called, it's an oversized embossing folder. And this one is called In the Pines. Yay! That goes with this whole Make It Merry. And there is a bundle of the embossing folder, this sentiment die, and that die. Yes, I will link everything below. You guys know I love to tell you where everything is. Help you shop quickly so you don't miss out. Let's now go into my 2 favorites. These are the out the gate winners last year, year before. Holiday Blooms. So nice. When I see a sale, Suzanne bought it twice. I was sent this one to play with. Fell madly in love. Got 2 more. Here is an example of an array of holiday blooms mixed with a little bit of Christmas blooms. This is another one. So nice. This one I bought 3 times. Love this set. Christmas blooms normally retails for $21.99. You can get it for $11. So that's 2 for the price of 1. You're like, Suzanne, why would I want 2? Because you can put 3 of these large poinsettias, 3 of those medium ones to layer up and run everything one time instead of sitting there at your die cut machine for 2-3 hours cutting a bunch of dies. Because if you're making 20 cards and you want to use these, this will help you. So at 2 for the price of 1, that's the time that you see that I myself purchase things when they go on super sale. Love super sale. Hence, that's how this happened. Holiday Blooms normally retails for $26.99. It is now $13.50. Again, 2 for 1. This is a combination of Holiday Blooms and Christmas Blooms. Love this card in particular. Everything here is on sale. The Glimmer Hot Foil, the tag. I think this bird is in there too, and I know for sure that. So love. So I'm going to definitely put individual links for these 2 winners because these are the foundations that will help you make a ton of cards over and over again. Holiday Blooms, Christmas Blooms. These 2 are best friends. Then there's the next door neighbor. The next door neighbor the next door neighbor of these 2 die sets is this one. Winter Welcome Sled. I've spoken about this little die set over and over again. She is on sale from $21.99 to now $11. 2 for the price of 1. So you can get yourself one and you can get a crafty friend one. Let's say you're having a crop, person's coming over. You both can have your die set. You can just wrap this little die set, put a little bow on it and go, oh, I got a little something for you for Christmas in July. Basically me, I'll be crafting Christmas for the rest of the year because I already feel it coming. This is a fantastic die set. I can only find these 2, but there's another one I have in blue. I have no idea where I put it. Time and time again, this is like knock it out the park. There's the sled, and then look at the florals. See, next door neighbors having a ton of fun. And embossing folders. I'm going to put a direct link for embossing folders. A lot of embossing folders are on sale too. One of my favorites, Flurry of Snowflakes. Love. Here it is in black. Oh, such a good embossing folder. So you could have this on top of that with some flowers. Done. And you're not spending an arm and a leg. This one is a 3D embossing folder, so you're looking at $7.50 instead of $14.99. Thumbs up, okay? So I'll put a direct link for embossing folders. I'm going to also put a direct link for glimmer, because there's a lot of glimmer hot foil plates, especially those background ones that have a high price point. Those are half off. You may want to add one or two. For example, this one is a great one. This wood one, I can't remember the name of it. I'll put it here on the screen. This is on sale. Susan Tierney Coburn's Winter Garden Collection. And I'll put just Winter Garden Collection. All of it's on sale. That includes this skate, fabulous, and also her mailbox. You remember this mailbox? Again, look at the florals. So I'm going to go from Susan's collection into Sealed by Spellbinders Holiday. Sealed for the Holidays is what it's called, collection, okay? Notable out of that collection, I just showed it to you here on the wax seal of the month with the 2D embossing folder of the month for this month. Here is Sealed Holly Sprigs. Look how many times I've used Sealed Holly Sprigs. It's just a fantastic die set. Sealed Twine. That's on sale too. Both of them are half off. Let me tell you, Sealed Holly Sprigs is normally $18.99 and that's a 2-piece set. And now it's down to $9.50. Comes with the berries to layer on top. I just think it's a great accent piece. It's 4 3/4 of an inch tall to go along with it. Sealed Twine. Sealed Twine is normally $10.99. Now it's $5. So you can get more than one sealed twine. Use it all year long. For all your crafting, you can do your Christmas, birthday, etc. Fabulous die set, okay? So that's another one that you can give as a crafty gift. $5. Yay. This, fabulous, fabulous. I have a second one too. I just tell you, I love this little die set here. Here it is, brighter green. There it is, darker green. Sealed Holly Sprigs. Winner, winner. Get 2. Because if you have to make a lot of cards or you're hosting a little crafty event, it's always nice. Yeah, certain things. And that's what I'm showing you is the certain things that you might want to get a second off just to go speedier, quicker on your crafting. This is on sale. I always love this set. I don't know if everybody loves it, but I can't get enough of the bottle brush tree. There is a new, larger bottle brush tree just released now. So you could add this set. It has a very low price point. I just didn't write it down. Always a nice accent in your card. To find the card to show you how great this little die set is. Look at it here. That is with the dancing reindeer. I think this is in the sale. This makes adorable cards for young at heart. If you want to give this to a young person, like one of your kids, fabulous. Look at the tree. So there's even a bigger one now. Bottle brush tree. Love. I did see, along with that Winter Garden mailbox, this mailbox set is on sale. That's a parcel and post mailbox. That's another winning set. What I did see, and I was like, oh, look at that. So let me tell you guys real quick. Simon's collection is on sale too. I'll tell you the name of it. Joyful Christmas. So I'll put Simon Hurley Joyful Christmas collection. You can check it out. I bought this on a sale at Spellbinders, and I think you guys might want to get it too. This is called the Charming Cottage Box. It is an older die set, but you can make treat boxes with this. And it's going from $29.99 to $15. You make this cute little box. It's like a gable box. You'll cut this outside piece twice. You get matting layers. You get a little gingerbread, a tree. You can put a door and a window. You don't have to. You could just keep this as a cute little box. So you can go like that, but you don't have to go all the way in, depending on what you're doing and how many of them you have to make. If you do it like this, then you could put a little vellum behind here, drop a little tea light in there. Super cute. You could put treats and favors in it. Birthday favor box crafting, Thanksgiving, little treat box to give everybody when they're leaving. So think of it beyond just Christmas. Halloween, why not? Put Halloween candy and send a bunch of these boxes to your child's classroom. Happy Valentine's too, all year round. So I just wanted to show you that this is there and at a good price. Okay? $15. Can't go wrong with this, and it comes together very easy. Joka's Winter Tale Collection. The whole thing is on sale. This one is the Nordic ornaments. Perfect for Christmas crafting, and you can get it all half off. She even has this one with the deer. Remember this? Oh, I so love it. I give away cards, but a lot of my cards I do keep because I like to show you guys examples when I make them. Plus, it also inspires me when I get stuck. I'm like, oh, I did make that? Sometimes I look at the colorway too, like, oh, that was a good colorway, like this. So all of Joka's Winter Tales collection is on sale. So you can definitely check that out. So just click the link and you'll see. Remember this one, the songbird? I always call it the Partridge Family. All of these are on sale. Fabulous. There again. Holiday blooms. If you don't know where to go with a card, You put this on and you're like, I am so stuck. Take out an embossing folder. You're still like, but it's still missing something. That's when you bring in your best friends, the neighbors, holiday blooms and Christmas blooms. Put them in everything. You'll be like, oh yeah. Oh, Suzanne wasn't lying. This is part of the winter welcome sled, actually. Those poinsettias mixed up with holiday blooms. So you can mix all your winter blooms. Here we go again. So you get stuck on a card. Put some blooms on it. 2 thumbs up for it will look beautiful, but it's actually not hard crafting. Yeah. So that's why I said do the 2 for 1 if you can. Next. And I'll put a link for just supplies because it's a whole area of hot foil rolls on sale. My favorite, the gems. As you can see, I'm using Spellbinders gems on everything. I just showed you it over and over and over again. I already added some to my cart because it's going from $4 to now $2, $3.99, $4 to $2. I'm now going to take advantage of 2 for the price of 1. So if you want to get some gems, you can also get some of the pearls. Those are on sale in there too. Hot foil rolls. And then there's some other little supplies. That's why I'm going to just call it supplies. You guys can check it out and see. Alrighty, crafters, I think that's it. I told you about embossing folders are on sale. Hot foil plates are on sale. A lot of stitching dies are in there, but it will be under dies. But fabulous stitching dies too from last year. And some of those cover plate ones, the ones that are A2 size, those are the ones that get pricey. This is the time to take advantage when they become half off or more than half off. That's the time to go for that $20-something set that is now $12. One last thing. The new Kit Club just opened up for new subscribers. And I said free shipping at 100. If you add Kit Club items to your order, that's not part of the 100. Okay? If I were you, I would do them as 2 separate orders. If you combine them, it's going to hold your entire order until that Kit Club item is ready to ship. I know I did it before in the past. That's what I'm telling you. Don't do what I did. Keep them separate. Kit Club will have free shipping. As soon as you add large die of the month, an embossing folder, done, that will be free shipping. Keep that separate. This order, whatever you add, let's say you want to add the Make It Merry kit, some of this, and a few other goodies. Once you reach 100 with in-store items, then you get free shipping. And it doesn't all have to be Spellbinders. You could add Barely Art Glue. You could add, they carry different brands there too, more than just Barely Art Glue. But you can add other supplies in store that brings it up to that 100, okay? All right, crafters. I hope you enjoyed this video. I didn't expect to do it, but when I saw the sale was really good, I was like, oh my gosh, I got to do a video again because this sale is too good to miss. I added some extra items to my cart, okay? I have my little cart going. I'm like, I guess I'm going to be checking out a little bit earlier. Alrighty, crafters. And thanks so much for watching the beginning part of Mommy Moment. Stay crafty, my friends. Everything will be detailed and linked below. Bye.